Hello everyone and thank you for viewing this presentation. Type 2 diabetes mellitus or T2DM is a major global health challenge affecting over 500 million individuals worldwide. While environmental and lifestyle factors such as diet and physical activity are known for its contribution, there is a growing recognition of the genetic underpinning of T2DM. One such genetic factor is the paraoxinase 1 or PON1 gene, which play a critical role in preventing oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are involved in pathogenesis of diabetes. Now, variants in this gene, particularly the Q192R polymorphism, have been associated with altered enzyme activity and susceptibility to metabolic disorder. However, studies across different populations have shown inconsistent results. Therefore, we conducted a systematic review and meta-analysis to determine whether PON1 gene polymorphism are significantly associated with T2DM risk and whether factors like genotyping, methods, or country modified this association. Now, material methods. Now, we performed a comprehensive search across PubMed, Scopus, and Google Scholar, identifying approximately 1,430 records, out of which 19 studies met our inclusion criteria for meta-analysis. These studies were published between 2014 and 2024 and spanned multiple countries, including India, Iran, Egypt, Kenya, Mexico, and Turkey. Sample size ranged from 120 to 1,150, and genotyping methods include PCR, ARMS, PCR, TACMAN assays, etc. So most study focus on the Q192R polymorphism, making it the primary variant evaluated in a pooled analysis. We calculated pooled odds ratio using a random effect model and assess heterogeneity, publication bias, subgroup difference, and certainty of evidence using GRADE criteria. Now coming to the result section, as you can see, the meta-analysis revealed a strong and statistically significant association between the PON1 polymorphism and T2DM. The pooled odds ratio was 2.11, 95% confidence and confidence interval of 2.05 2.18, indicating that individual carrying the risk allele had more than double the odds of developing T2DM compared to control. Notably, heterogeneity was negligible, with I square to 0% and tau square to 0, and a non-significant Q static, suggesting highly consistent across studies. The funnel plot was symmetric and Egger's regression test was non-significant, indicating minimal publication bias. Now, in subgroup analysis by genotyping method and country, all groups showed consistently elevated ORs and both no significant between the group differences. Meta-regression analysis showed that neither genotyping method, country, nor total sample size significantly modified the association. The grade assessment rated the certainty of evidence as moderate due to consistency and low heterogeneity, but with minor concerns about potential bias in some original studies. Now coming to conclusion. In conclusion, this meta-analysis provides robust evidence supporting a strong association between PON1, Q192R polymorphism and increased risk of type 2 diabetes mellitus. This suggests a potential role for PON1 genetic screening and identifying individuals at high risk. Further large-scale multi-ethnic and prospective studies are warranted to validate these findings and explore the gene-environmental interaction influencing T2DM. Thank you for your attention.